Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you're wondering why the add music to Instagram profile option is missing, don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick video, I'll show you 5 proven ways to fix it and get that music feature back on your profile. So make sure to watch it till the end. First step is to update Instagram. Sometimes features like add music are only available in the latest version. Second, switch to personal or creator account. For that, you need to check your account type. Open your Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap the 3 lines at the top right. Okay, scroll down and go to For Professionals section. And here, tap on Business Tools and Controls. So it shows my account is business type. Scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type and switch to personal or creator account. Once you switch, restart the application and check if the music option appears on your profile. Instagram music features are not always available on business accounts. Third is to use a supported reason. Instagram music is not available in every country due to licensing restrictions. If you're in a country where it's not supported, you might not see the option. One workaround is using a VPN to temporarily switch your location to a country like the US or UK where the feature is available. Just make sure you're following Instagram's guidelines. Step 4. Clear cache or reinstall the application. Sometimes your app just needs a clean refresh. Go to your settings. Tap on Apps and Notifications. Go to your Instagram app. Select Storage and Cache. And then tap Clear Cache. This can help remove glitches or corrupted data that might be hiding the feature. Step 5 is to try logging out and back in. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Go to the menu icon. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Log Out. Also, try using another account temporarily to see if the music option shows up there. It helps you confirm whether the issue is account specific. If nothing works, reach out to Instagram support. In the settings section, tap on Help and report a problem. Briefly explain that the music feature is missing from your profile and they might fix it from their end. And that's it. One of these steps should help you get the add music to profile option back. Comment below if it worked for you, or if you're still facing issues, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick fixes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.